Hey, I came to blow up the mountain to get stones today. Here, let's go down and install the bomb. Hey, it's installed. Pull me up. Go down and wait for the explosion. Look, the bomb is about to explode. It's really thrilling. Look, the stones are blown everywhere. It seems we have a lot of work to do. Let's call the excavator to help. There seems to be something over there. Let's go up and see. It's a stone blocking the road. But don't worry, I'll clean it up. Lift the stone and throw it under the cliff. The stone is cleared. Bus, you can go now. Let's call the truck now. Truck, come here. Load this big stone onto the truck. Watch out, truck! This stone is too big. The truck can't pull it. We need to break it. Hi! Hi! Hata! Great! Next, hook the stone to the truck's compartment. Gather them together first. Start loading stones. It's full. You take the truck to the construction site first. I also want to hook a stone to the construction site. Just hook this one.